Hak jing persang ban krengi kinong jongok kai bat ban kentiu ya ke yok ka kot jong jela ke tanat tourism jong jela hak khat sau trek nailar arja apply kala penbena ban penlong biang ya ki kat tu kat ne ki Tamasa ki ban sedang Naduh benai Risaw mentau senam. Haba ajing kran cikilat pathai kubur nakal yang menteri ubadai pej ya ke tanat tourism jong jela wa polling do ulaong. Ban Naduh benai Risaw ke jela kan penlong ya ki kat tu kat ne ki Tamasa ki ba kentup ya ke Meghalaya Kayak Fest ke Shillong Literary Fest ke Megong Fest ke Winter Tales bat nalor kini kin penlong ru ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival ha ke bagi nong tambat ki nongrwai ke jela kin wan banya simbenta bat kum juru ki nong tambat ki nongrwai ki ba pau jong ke perthai kumu Ronan Keating u Jonas Blue kin wan banya simbenta lang.
In the month of October, beginning from the 12th till the 14th, we will be having the Meghalaya Kayak Fest. Meghalaya Kayak Fest at Risaw, which part of Risaw? Umthang. Risaw district.
Called the Whitewater Village.
And this will be followed by the Shillong Literary Festival in the month of November, from the 14th till the 16th of November, the Shillong Literary Festival. And a major crowd puller of the last few years has been the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival. This will be scheduled to be held on November 17th till the 19th. That is, immediately after the Literary Fest will be the Shillong Cherry Blossom Fest, November 17 till 19. Also in the month of November, we will be hosting the Megong Festival. Megong Festival, to be followed by the Winter Tales Festival. As part of Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, we have a very impressive lineup of artists, and these include Ronan Keating, confirm?
Yes.
Ronan Keating, Jonas Blue, and Hybrid Theory, which will be playing a Linkin Park tribute concert, and Kenny Music. From our very own hills, we will be having Blue Majau, Snow White, Mebaophilia, Daminat, Somersault, the band Phantasm, Empirical Tribe, Street Stories, Banjob, Nok Pante, DJ Zithan, DJ Fabian, Lady G.
Yes, sir.
Then Prince Stone, Sutanga, Claudia, Young Nati, Rehem, Banrap Lingdo, One Job Soklet, and others. As part of the festival, a lot of other activities will also form part of this year's Cherry Blossom. We will be having food court and beverages, experience zones, kids play zone, karaoke contests, installations, games, graffiti, indigenous fashion, ferry wheel, zip line, etc. And capping this slew of events, we will also be hosting the Shillong Blues Festival in the month of January, tentatively in the month of January. The Shillong Blues Fest 2024, scheduled for January the 6th, will have a constellation of performers including Rudy and the Cool Cats, Blue Temptation, Quiet Storm, Tony Balsam, Kapil Chetri, The Last Band, Even Flow, Rohan Singhal, Arjun Sen, All Star Band, and Esa Nurani. So these are events that are coming up, and we would specifically, I would like to request our media friends to cause maximum publicity for these events. And I'm sure that with your active support, the footfalls this year will be at its peak.